Hope we are well. My name is Kazi Sharkur Rahman. I am a student of University of Rajshahi, Department of Banking and Insurance. Today, I am going to talk about sustainable banking product that can be offered in Bangladesh. So we live in a world. This world gives us shelter, food, and other benefits. But what we are returning to the world? Our duty was to keep this world livable. But the question is, are we doing our duty? Or are we keeping this world livable? The answer is absolutely not. We are not keeping this world safe. We are polluting the environment, so the climate is changing and the nature is revenging on our lives. So how banks are involved in this climate change? Actually, some argues that all the environment pollutions are caused by banking funding. So bank is ultimately involved in this climate change. So bank and other financial institutions need to invest taking consideration the environmental, social and moral impact. Now focus on a small country in South Asia named Bangladesh. Bangladesh has gained its independence from Pakistan in 1971 after a liberation war. Bangladesh is blessed with so much natural beautiness and blessed with natural beauty, but it is also cursed with poverty, hunger, unemployment, natural and human-made disasters. The solution can be sustainable banking or insurance or financial institutions product. So, what is a sustainable bank? A sustainable banking involves strategic planning and execution of banking operations and business activities while taking into consideration the environmental, social, and governmental ESG impact. So, I am going to discuss about 5 sustainable products that can be introduced to Bangladesh. Number one is green loans. Loan is specifically designed to finance eco-friendly initiatives and sustainable projects. The purpose of these green loans is to support business and individuals in adopting environmentally responsible practices. The features will be lower interest rate for project promoting renewable energy, energy efficiency and sustainable agriculture so that the factories or industries can be motivated to invest in eco-friendly initiatives. So where the loans funding will come from? That is another sustainable product that can be introduced to Bangladesh named Green Deposit. It allows customers to deposit their money with the assurance that the bank will use this fund for environmentally friendly and socially responsible initiatives so that the depositors can be environmentally improve the condition and fulfill their social responsibility. Another product is sustainable credit card. This is a special type of credit card. The features will be when the customers uses the credit card, a fixed portion of the income will be disbursed into CSR or environment improvements. Number four product that can be introduced in Bangladesh is social impact loans. That loans directed towards projects that have significant positive social impact. Actually, banks find profitable investment opportunities only, but in this case, social impact, the bank will not only search for the profitable loans, but also the loans that can be positive effect the society to promote inclusive and community development and funding for initiatives related to education, healthcare, and community infrastructure with favorable terms. Because if the society exists, then the bank will be can be served. Now let's focus on insurance products that can be introduced. Green insurance for business. These are green commercial property insurance products. Businesses that use alternative materials and energies in their buildings and surroundings should have access to insurance that incentivizes them and encourage them to keep enhancing an eco-friendly environment. The future is not a distant dream. It's a canvas waiting for us to paint it with the colors of responsible banking and lasting impact. Let's turn this vision into reality because sustainable banking is not just a choice, it's a powerful force for change. Thank you.